So hi, I'm Anushri and I'm a volunteer with IFBEC, that's a Fashion Business Council.
Ji.
So could you first tell me about your brand?
Yeah, it's A Mohinder Enterprises. This is basically a fabric firm, and the another one is Mahindra Dyeing and Finishing House. This is basically dyeing firm, and the third one is A-Man. This is basically a garment manufacturing unit. So
Okay.
this is combined unit that we are having here.
Okay. So my first question with you is what sustainable materials or processes have you recently adopted in your fabric and accessories
Polyester
production?
is more sustained than cotton, according
Okay.
to me.
Okay.
Yeah, they are longer, laster, and having around 5 pH to 7 pH basically dyes forms.
So that increases the durability.
Yeah, that's increase the durability and more comfortable with than cotton.
Okay. So what challenges do you face in exporting your fabric and accessories products?
I don't find any challenges.
You don't have any challenges?
Yeah, no. This is our basic work.
Okay.
Yeah. To the Bahrain, to the Saudi Arabia, we do export more polyester than cotton.
Okay. So thank you for your time.